welcome to another Enginetuner video. Today you join us with this AMG GLA45. Follow us along as we fit a new air filter to the car, and then we're going to carry out a remap, so we should see some decent improvements on this gorgeous little hot hatch. That's this AMG, well and truly into the Enginetuner 400 Plus Club. We hope you've enjoyed the video. For me, I'm going to carry on road testing this car before the sun comes down and it gets too dark. If you've got an AMG or a Mercedes or any other mark and you'd like a little bit more power out of it, get in touch through our social media platforms and we'll be happy to help out. As always, please give this video a like, consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one.